For over a decade, the ViaTerra Leh Saddlebags have been a trusted companion to thousands of riders over hundreds of thousands of kilometers. It's been used on motorcycles of all shapes and sizes and on adventures to the farthest corners of India and beyond. These saddlebags have always been deeply connected to Indian motorcycling touring culture and have evolved side by side with stories of real adventures. This is the journey of the Leh. ADV motorcycles are the rage today, but until a few years ago, nearly everyone that was out exploring India on two wheels was on a Royal Enfield. Straight exhausts were the norm, and the only way to have a motorcycle that was purpose-built for adventure was if you did the purpose building yourself. The same applied for affordable motorcycle luggage. The original version of these saddlebags, then called the ViaTerra Ranger, were quite simply meant to be saddlebags that were specifically built for these Royal Enfields. The focus was to make sure that they were tough enough for real-world riding conditions and large enough to carry your home with you. And it worked, until we knew exactly how we wanted to make them better. In 2013, we redesigned these saddlebags based on learnings from our own usage and feedback from customers who had used them extensively. Unnecessary pockets were dropped to reduce the bulk of the bag, and we opted for a more sleek all-black design. A ripped PVC base was added for more durability, and we also added a storm flap over the front zip for better weather protection. We also noticed that most people that use these bags seem to magnetically be drawn to a specific region, and decided to name the bags to pay due honor to this. Hence, the ViaTerra Leh was born. While the Leh remained a reliable companion to many of you, we never stopped asking, how can we make it better without losing what made it great? Sure enough, a few years later, we were ready to improve on the Leh significantly. We solved the need for reliable waterproofing by redesigning the main storage compartment, now featuring a removable inner waterproof liner and a secure roll-top closure without much change to the overall shape or functionality of the bags. The universal mounting capability was improved by incorporating an adjustable bridge with dual locking system and a zero displacement fit. This made it easier to adjust the bags to fit better, matching the width of the mounting point. We also added molly panels on top of each saddlebag to unlock modularity to carry tents, gear or other luggage on top of the bag. So the new Leh retained all that was good from the previous gen, but now brought better functionality, hugely improved weather protection and more universality. All of which has by now been tried and tested by thousands of riders over hundreds of thousands of kilometers. Earlier this year, we also launched the Leh Mini, specifically for customers who have used and loved the Leh, but wanted something smaller. At ViaTerra, we always encourage riders to travel lighter, and the fact that more people wanted a smaller bag is something that we are genuinely happy about. The Leh Mini retains all the features and functionalities of its larger brother, but in a more compact package overall. For us, the Leh is a bag that has been shaped by over a decade of real-world riding, and it will continue to evolve to meet the demands of riders who don't take the easy way. Which version of Leh has been part of your journey? We'd love to hear the stories it's carried. Thanks for watching.